Hello there guys, and welcome to your Linux tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to talk about reverse incremental search. Okay, now what is the reverse incremental search? Now, reverse incremental search is a way for you to search your command history. Now, how do you do that exactly? Well, before we actually begin with that, I should just note, as in the last tutorial we discussed, that you can search your history by doing this. So history and then grep and then some pattern. Okay, but there is a better way to do this. And the better way is to use reverse incremental search. To enter the reverse incremental search, press Control R on your keyboard. So that's CTRL-R on your keyboard. Then you enter the reverse incremental search, and then slowly start typing in the command you are looking for in history. So let's say I'm looking for a find. And so basically what the reverse incremental search has found is this command, history grep find, because there's a find right here. However, I'm not really looking for that find, I'm looking for some other find, so I'm just going to start typing and refining my search. So basically just type in everything that's distinctive about the command that you wrote. Okay, so for example, let's say that I want to find this command, which is find home. It found this command, and let's say that this command is exactly what I am looking for. Okay, now if I want to execute the command currently displayed, which is this huge command right here, I would press enter. However, if I want to copy the command to my terminal session, I'm going to press Control J. That's CTRL-J on your keyboard. And you can see that I just copied that command to my terminal. Okay? And basically, this thing right here is very useful if you are searching for something that happened very long ago in your history. Okay, now you can obviously use the grep, but this is a much more convenient way to do it. Okay, so if you ever need to search through history, consider using reverse incremental search. Although honestly, if the history and then piping it with grep works better for you, why wouldn't you use it, right? I see no reason to be romantic about certain techniques. So if you find history piped with grep much easier to use, by all means, right? Why not? But again, just know that this exists. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you in the next tutorial, and I hope you share the information about these awesome tutorials which are available on this channel, and subscribe as well, and talk soon. Okay, I forgot to I changed my hotkeys for recording, so let me just I have to end the recording in a different way. Okay, so this was actually a trick which I intended to do, right? This was an intended trick because I don't want every tutorial ending with the same thing. Okay, so let me just end it right now. Talk soon.